The multi-component metal foam Ecocontact provides a cutting-edge technology suitable for any kind of electric connection and any voltage level. The foam's performance is guaranteed over time, as it can bear temperatures up to 200 Celsius degrees. Ecocontact is a multi-component metal foam, which is placed between the contact surfaces. While tightening the electrical contact with the dynamometric key, the metal microtips drill through the contact's oxide layers, creating hundreds of micro-welds. As a result, the electrical contact is highly optimized and the resistance is significantly reduced. The installation of the foam guarantees over 80s drop on the resistance of treated electrical contacts. The Ecocontact foam can be integrated on the whole power chain, starting upstream with the centralized production on high and low voltage grids, to downstream with all the grid users' facilities, whether they be clients or renewable energy producers. The installation of Ecocontact naturally fits in the maintenance cycles, especially in thermography campaigns, transformer station maintenance, process maintenance. The Ecocontact foam secures your facilities, reduces energy losses, prevents machine breakdowns on industrial processes, reduces fire hazard, increases electrical contact's lifetime, and ends all electrical contact surface coating operations.